What's the deal, y'all? Let me see. We got a lot of shit going on today. I ain't been vlogging. We ain't been vlogging. Ain't nobody been vlogging. But today we vlogging. You feel me? But alright, we gotta take these wheels. I gotta take these wheels right here for my SS to go get put on. First, I gotta drop these wheels off to All-State Tire because I can't fit everything in the car at once. But you know, brand new wheels they sell in the box. Then we gonna go pick up my car from the detail shop in Rochester Hills. Then I gotta come down here, get my tires from my house, take the tires to the tire shop, get them put on the wheels and change my sensors and everything. Then I gotta go downtown to go take care of some house business. Then after that, I gotta go to drop my car off to Zero so he can get started on my wrap. And that's it. That's the plans for today. That shit seemed like a lot of shit to do. I ain't gonna lie to you. And before anybody say it, I know my camera messed up. I know. Trust me. Really do. You mad you gotta take me to get my car? Tired of these fucking crackheads. That's what I'm gonna talk to y'all about. What's the deal? We in that big red thing. Hold on, no, I'll put it in here. I don't think, wait, that might work. I don't think it worked though. Take this shit out. Oh shit. Hey, how that bitch so hard to take out? Yeah. That's a shitty design. How about that? Bro. You gotta play with that motherfucker. Yeah. Bro, that bitch is not coming out. Yes, it is. I take it in and out every day. There you go. Put the two-piece in that bitch. No cap. If I go pick up that slow SS, you got a supercharger put in that bitch. But I don't have no new music to listen to. I'm looking for my phone and shit. It's in your hand. I thought this was mine, bro. I swear my camera fucked up too. I'm stupid as hell. I can't put that there. Alright, give it back here. I was giving it to you. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Talking about other people's cars. You on YouTube looking at other people's cars. Okay, we're gonna see. Listen, I would drag a scat today. I want to race. Jamie. I raced 3 scats and none of them beat me. And I put buses on them. You want to race your car? I want to race your Hellcat. Take me up, pause. Look at me in my eyes. I want to race you and your slow ass Hellcat today. Why you scared to race? That's why you going bald, because you stressed the fuck out. That's why you going bald, because I'm stressing you out. Listen, pull your Hellcat out today. No, I'm not bringing out. I done told you I'm not. Because you scared. It needs something done to it. I'm not going to fuck my car. Oh, my God. It need a new fucking supercharger, because the bitch don't even whine. It does whine, bitch. No, the fuck it don't. That's why you smile. This is in the garage right now. Oh. You need something. All right, we got the SS back. We got the SS back. Went downtown. They just made me mad as hell. But it's cool. I'm about to go pick up my tires. I'll pick up my tires, go to the tire shop, get my tires put on. That way, I'll go drop my car off to get wrapped. And we be good. This how my paint was right here before. It had hella swirl marks and shit. I had to get a paint correction before I got my wrap done. But it's all good now.
Run with it ahead, cause I keep losing all my friends. Not many nights I cry. I'm in the room, I'm having thoughts about a homicide. That pain run deep. When you see your brothers laying in the street, take a hit to make sure that your baby eating. Your grandma move away from fiends, and your mama got needles in her veins. That shit'll make a nigga change, and ever since I ain't been the same. My heart a little damaged, but I'm pussy trying to manage. Plus I'm still missing maniac. Wish I could get my baby his soul back. Niggas got lucky with that body, niggas ain't known that. But bitch, nigga, we own that. 100 niggas on your block, we ain't tryna protest. We gon' slide to them niggas, get a toe tag.